What's up, everybody? I got a 2.7 liter Dodge Stratus. It's a 2.7. I'm doing a starter motor. First thing you want to do is take off your negative ground. It's a 15 millimeter. That'll be this one. This one underneath it. You should be able to just twist it off by hand. It's also a 15. And let's hold that down. Your top bolt is gonna be right here where my light is. That bolt right there, see there's a starter. That's the top bolt right there where my light's at. Alright, bottom two bolts gonna be right here. And right here, I'm gonna show you on the bottom where they at. Now to get to the bottom ones, there's one right there. So you get it from right here, right there, and there's another one right there that was missing. And then to take for the starter itself, all you gotta do, pull off your ground wire. You got your battery positive, which is up there, and then you got your black, see that black ground? You just pull it off. You pull off that black ground, that's a 13 millimeter right there. That's it. Now to get to it though, you got to remove this bracket this right here. So on this right here, there's 3 bolts. There's 3 15s on the bottom. They go right here. 1, 2, and 3. But they're right here on the bottom of the frame. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you don't even got to take that out, just loosen it. This right here got 3 bolts. 15s. 1 right here. And I'm gonna show you right here where they go. Right here. Got one right there. And then you got another one that go right there. That's it. And then you can unplug your oxygen sensor. That's it. And that's it. So this is really easy to take out, but you got to loosen up them 3 bolts to get this mount out. And like I said, it's 3 bolts. They come out real easy. Versus taking off these exhaust studs and dropping this exhaust, because that's what all that tells you to do. And if you don't, exhaust is a pain in the bitch and they're rusty. Now these came off, but I didn't want to mess with the exhaust. So just take out them 3 bolts, loosen them up, and then you got 3 right there. That's it, and you're done. And don't forget to take off your negative ground. That's a 05 Dodge Stratus or Sebring also. It also works on the Sebring 2.7 liter motors for Chrysler. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.